how to delete your Gmail account. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So first thing to do is going to gmail.com, or by going to it by mail.google.com from the URL bar. After you open gmail.com, you first need to sign into your account, and after you sign into your account, if you want to delete it, go to the settings. From here to the settings icon, and after you open the settings menu, go to see all settings. Now go to accounts and then go to Google account settings. After you open your Google account settings, go to data and privacy. From here in the left panel, scroll down until you find the section called download or delete your data. Click on delete a Google service, then type your password here and click on next, and now click on delete Gmail. Before deleting your Gmail address, you need to type or enter another address, but it can be a Gmail address, for example a Yahoo or an Outlook or an iCloud address, so that you can sign into the other services here, because all the other services here are gonna be still working. So YouTube, Play Games, any other Google service will be working, but will be transferred to a different address. So only the Gmail will be deleted. So when you type here the new address and send the verification email and then verify it, then you can delete your Gmail address by the steps we said now. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.